Camera eats first. You guys enjoy, take a bite. Welcome everyone, my name is Kunchi. This is my wife Susie, and today we are going to be making a long requested recipe for the brisket mac and cheese. So the brisket is my thing, the mac and cheese is her thing, and we're gonna put those together. You wanna give us a preview?
Yeah, so this mac and cheese is different than my white cheddar mac because it has a panko topping and it's very rich and like almost over, like it's very indulgent. This one is just stick to the real ribs, cheesy deliciousness, surprising ingredients that when you ask your audience, hey, guess what's in it? They're gonna be like, I can't put my finger on it. So this is a fun recipe that I like to make, and actually way quicker than the white mac.
Alright, so stay tuned for the video. All of the equipment that we use and all of the ingredients will be on the website. So make sure you go check out cookingwithkunchi.com. The link to everything will be down in the description box below. Make sure you smash that subscribe and follow some more. So what we're doing right here is grating our cheese with this rotary cheese grater. This was in the TikTok shop, but down in the description I'm going to drop a TikTok shop link and an Amazon link just so you guys can find it either way. I find things to be cheaper on the TikTok shop, so I've been buying a lot of stuff on there as well. We cook the pasta, drain it. We're using a pasta pot, and that's a Gotham Steel pasta pot. I mean, I'm pretty sure there are other brands, but again, we will drop that. We're seasoning the roux with some beef rub from the Jack Daniels and a little bit of hot sauce and mustard. That just adds a different complexity to it. My wife likes to make a really lighter colored roux, and you'll see everything listed in the recipe that will be posted up on the website. Alright, buttering up your pan, make sure you do that. We're layering down a layer of the brisket mac, then we're going to put some cheese, and then we're going to add another layer on top of that, and then cheese on top of the mac and cheese. So this was really decadent, just really rich and delicious, but not super fatty and overpowering like you would expect with all of the cheese and all of the fat from the brisket and all of the butter. It's really good. We did pair this with a garlic bread, and my wife made this garlic butter from scratch. The recipe is also on the website, so you guys are more than welcome to go check that out. Use a French bread. Cut the French bread in half and just spread your butter mixture on it, and then bake it in the oven. Here's the finished product. The brisket flavor in this mac and cheese,
Not overpowering, but it blends so good with it.
look, it's a lot of meat.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste like, you know, if you've ever had like a plate full of brisket, it's not so overwhelming. Everything just comes together.
It's kind of a way to cut the fatty brisket with more fat.
I know, it's so weird, right? But that's why I do a clever sauce with a little hot sauce and a little Dijon, which is so weird to me when I put it in there. And the first time I tried it, I was like, what am I doing? But
this is really good.
adventurer, and it's amazing. Oh yeah.
That's so good. So make sure you guys go down in the link in the description. Go get that recipe from my website. Thank y'all for watching. Follow us for more.
All right.